So this is how we can type into the Excel spreadsheet on the iPhone. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get started. So of course you need to use some sort of software, some kind of app to make edits to the spreadsheet. A lot of people just go to the App Store and download the Excel, which is obviously a good choice, but you need to be signed in with a Microsoft account and also have an active subscription in order to make edits to the spreadsheet. So if you want to use it for reading only, then it's fine. But if you want to make some edits, then you need to have a subscription, right? So if I go to my Files app, you can see that I have some sort of a spreadsheet. If I click on Get Info, I can see that in which file format it is. And usually when you click or hold down on it, you can choose the open with and then decide which app you want to open it with. So as I said, for me, it's okay to go to the Excel like this, make it open up in full screen, tap on the cell, click at the bottom for this and type in something which I want there to be, right? So that's how you can essentially type into the Excel, right? As I say, I have the account which I'm signed in, and I also have a subscription in there. But if you don't want to go that route, it's completely fine because you can also use some kind of other app to edit your spreadsheets. So as you can see, if I held down on this file, click on Open With, I can as well pick something else like the Apple Numbers, which is freely available and it also works without a subscription. So if you have the Apple Numbers app, you can use it to open it up like this. It's going to import the document into the Apple Numbers and you can tap on Edit and similarly tap on the individual cells and essentially type your text in or do whatever you want, right? So that's how you can edit it inside of the Apple Numbers. But there are, of course, other apps as well which can edit the spreadsheet or Office formats. For example, even some random apps which you can find on the App Store, but also most notably Google Sheets, which is freely available. You just need to have a Google account and you can use it as well. So in the Files app, you wouldn't hold down on it and click on the Open With because there we cannot really find the Google Sheets, but you would have to hold down on it, click on Share, and use the apps right there, click on More, and essentially find the sheets right there, right? So it's not like you open it with, but you sort of like share it to the app, but the result is going to be the same because you will have the ability to essentially work with the same file once it loads up. And yeah, you can also use the Google Sheets to make edits to the Microsoft Excel file. So I hope that I was able to explain it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. I'm going to wrap it up and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.